G front load washer troubleshooting. Unusual noises. The unusual noises from your GE front load washer can be unsettling. These noises often signal a problem that needs attention. Understanding the cause can help you fix it quickly. Let's explore the common sounds and what they mean. Grinding sounds. Do you hear a grinding noise during the wash cycle? This might be due to a worn-out drum bearing. The drum bearing helps the drum spin smoothly. When it wears out, the washer makes a grinding sound. To check for a bad drum bearing, spin the drum by hand. Listen for any grinding or clicking noises. Feel for any roughness or resistance. If you notice these signs, consider replacing the drum bearing. Always consult the user manual for guidance. Banging noises. Banging noises during the spin cycle can be alarming. This often happens due to an unbalanced load. When the load is uneven, the drum wobbles and hits the washer's sides. To fix an unbalanced load, pause the wash cycle, open the door and redistribute the clothes evenly. Remove some items if the washer is too full. Resume the wash cycle and listen for changes. If the noise persists, check the shock absorbers. Shock absorbers keep the drum steady during the spin cycle. Worn-out shock absorbers can cause banging noises. Inspect the shock absorbers for visible wear or damage, loose or broken attachments. Replace them if needed to stop the banging noises.